Hey guys, this is Tim Lauer, Remax Paradise. Today we are checking out Grand Pointe in Orange Beach. Grand Pointe has 7 floors, 87 units, and is nestled in a very unique and amazing location. So right across the street you have famous San Roque Marina. To the east you have access and beautiful views to Alabama Point, which you can watch the boats go in and out of the Gulf all day. And then in the rear, you have a boardwalk that gives you direct access to the most beautiful white sandy beaches on the Gulf of Mexico. So when you're ready to look at a condo investment in Alabama's paradise, give me a call. Tim Lauer, Remax Paradise.